How heat shrink tubing repairs and protects damaged cables. If you've ever dealt with a frayed charging cable, exposed wires, or worn-out insulation, you know how frustrating and potentially dangerous it can be. Luckily, there's a simple and affordable fix. Heat shrink tubing. This handy material is ideal for repairing damaged cables and extending the life of your electronics, tools, and electrical systems. In this article, we'll explain how heat shrink tubing repairs cables, step by step, and why it's one of the best solutions for quick, long-lasting fixes. Why cable damage matters. Damaged cables aren't just an eyesore. They can pose serious risks. Exposed wires can lead to short circuits, electrical shocks, fire hazards, signal loss, or poor performance. Ignoring a damaged cable can make the problem worse, but replacing an entire cord or device isn't always practical. That's where heat shrink tubing comes in. How heat shrink repairs cables. Heat shrink tubing is made from a special plastic that shrinks tightly when heated. Here is how to use it to repair a cable. Step 1. Choose the right tubing. Select tubing that is slightly larger than the damaged section of your cable. Step 2. Cut the tubing. Cut a piece of tubing long enough to fully cover the damaged area, plus a little extra on each end for complete protection. Step 3. Slide it on. Before doing any repairs such as twisting or soldering wires, slide the tubing onto the cable. If you wait until after, you may not be able to fit it over the connection. Step 4. Apply heat. Use a heat gun, lighter, or even a hairdryer to apply heat evenly. The tubing will shrink and wrap tightly around the cable, sealing the damaged area. Bonus protection with adhesive-lined tubing. For extra durability and a watertight seal, use adhesive-lined heat shrink tubing. As it shrinks, a layer of melted adhesive fills any gaps and bonds to the cable, locking out moisture and debris, perfect for outdoor or high-moisture environments. Types of cable repairs. You can use heat shrink tubing to cover frayed insulation, protect spliced wires, reinforce stress points near connectors, shield soldered joints, seal cables exposed to the elements. Heat shrink tubing is one of the easiest and most effective ways to repair damaged cables. It's quick, inexpensive, and creates a clean, professional-looking finish. Whether you're fixing a phone charger, speaker wire, or automotive connection, heat shrink tubing is a go-to solution that keeps your cables safe and working like new.